Today we have the 2017 Nissan X-Trail. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, traffic reports and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.